Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tiramisu cheesecake. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including softened cream cheese, mascarpone, and strong espresso. Begin by making the crust. Combine 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs with 1/4 cup of melted butter. Press this mixture evenly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. Chill the crust while you prepare the filling for best results. Next, let's create that luscious cheesecake filling. In a large bowl, beat 2 pounds of softened cream cheese with 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar until it's light and fluffy. Gently fold in 1 cup of mascarpone cheese and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Finally, add 4 large eggs, one at a time, mixing on low speed just until each is incorporated. Be careful not to overmix. Now for the signature tiramisu touch. Quickly dip about 24 ladyfingers into cooled, strong espresso, ensuring they don't get too soggy. Arrange these espresso-soaked ladyfingers over your chilled crust. Carefully pour the cheesecake batter over the ladyfingers, spreading it evenly. Bake your cheesecake in a water bath at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour and 15 minutes, or until the edges are set. After baking, let the cheesecake cool completely on a wire rack, then refrigerate it for at least 6 hours, or even better, overnight. This chilling time is crucial for the cheesecake to set properly and develop its full flavor. Just before serving, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder for that authentic tiramisu look and taste. It's truly a delightful dessert. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.